Hello, we are Mercury Knives. Welcome here, and we'd like to introduce you to a few of our knives. We have two main currents of making. We have traditional knives, hunting range and multi-tool range. We use different natural materials like olive wood or real stag horn, like these. And let's say that this is our, as I was saying, traditional knives. They're all made inside the factory. We don't outsource any kind of making, and they are all hand fitted and finished and hand sharpened. So we take pride in the quality of our knives. We also have a range of camping knives, you know, like kitchen cutlery, and we also do kitchen tools. Then there is the branch I'm more familiar with, and these are our modern knives, high-tech knives. And this year we presented a new model, a limited edition, which I really like to show and which I would love, my colleague to show, but that's okay. This is our look. It's already well known and welcomed by the community, but this year is made in flat carbon and magna cut steel. And yeah, it will be a very limited range, 100 pieces, all numbered and certified. And we presented for the IWA show the Logan Mini, which is our most high-tech knife, which placed second in the knife innovation. It's an Elmox blade, ergal body, running on bearings, and the main point about this knife is the construction. It is made as a monolithic knife, so the whole body of the knife is milled in the scale, and the knife will work perfectly even without the top cover. So it's basically an integral knife you can take down for cleaning, but it works exactly as an integral knife. As you can see, there's no passing through pivot.
The first impression was when you open it that it was like some spring assisted, very smooth.
Very smooth.
Very smooth mechanic. Perfect.
Thank you very much. And then we also have a range. Oh, I have mine, so I don't have to take the window. This is the other news we presented, the Kali. The Kali is already quite well known, and we presented a new shape, the drop point. It will have an exclusive Red Bull of micarta, which will be made only for this model, but all of the scales are still interchangeable, so if people already ask other model of the Kali, they can swap the scales as they wish. And this will come out in either red burlap or green canvas micarta.
Alright. What about fixed blades?
The other fixed blade, the other news we presented, is the Ranger, which will be made in Sleipner steel, 5mm thick, and it's a knife thought for bushcraft and outdoor purposes, but it has some sort of tactical look to it, so it can easily be a combat knife either. Machined micarta scales with rock texture, and it will have probably an horizontal carry sheath.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for coming. It's been a pleasure.